Hello, my name is Antonio Jose Villafara, trainer of technology management from file number 2175860. Introduction. An export is basically any legitimate good and or service that the producing or using country the exporter sent as mercancy to third party importer for its purchase or use. Logistic of the tariff position. The tariff heading is identification code consisting of 10 digits which are assigned to all those goods that are going to go through the importer or export process. Registration and export. The single tax registered route is the only mechanism to identify, locate, and classify the subject of obligation administered and controlled by National Tax and Customs Direction (DIAN) to carry or export activities. This registration must be processed specific site activity. Market study and location of potential demand. Select the market. What do you want to venture? Identify the characteristics of the country to be exported. Identification and distribution channels. Export price, customer habits, and preference. Clearance produce. Check before the DIAN if your product requires permits and authorization to export, which must be processed before the corresponding authorities before submitting the export declaration text to the custom procedures for clearance before the DIAN. It is the exit of mercancy from the Colombian customs territory to another country or industrial free zone of goods and services with the fulfillment of the requirements established in the norm. Assume freight for weather will be used and required documents are as follows: commercial invoice, pack list if required, transport documents, sanitary registration or good views if required by the product, other documents required with the exporting product. Payment methods. For our export, it is of vital importance to determine and take into account the way in which our clients will pay us, and for this there are different international payment instruments, such as letter of credit guaranteed, letters guarantees, among others. Exchange produces currency refund. The currency must be refunded through market intermediaries, such as commercial bank and other financial institutions. The refund in Colombia legacy currency. Pre-export document. International contract. Technically data and use manual commercial invoice packing list. Other documents: certificate of origin, quality certification, certification of conformity, labeling register, export certificates, barcode certification. Documents by logistic activity. Transportation document and freight certification. Goods insert policies. Shipping authorization, export declaration, export customs document. I complete my presentation giving the most sincere thanks for the attention provided.